The peak season for home sales is just around the corner. In fact, here in Nashville, home sales jumped 12.6% in February. But Consumer Reports says many home buyers are likely to make a serious mistake, settling for the first mortgage they're offered. Jennifer Krause has some tips on how to be a savvy home buyer in this Consumer Matters.
Going to open houses or checking advertisements are ways to get a sense of the real estate market in your area. But before you jump to buy, Consumer Reports says you need to do what Christina Caprietti and her husband did and spend time looking for the best mortgage.
We wanted to make sure that we had a great rate in place, locked in place for the 30 years for the term that we have the mortgage.
Buying a house is a major purchase. Just a small difference in the mortgage interest rate can make a big difference in your monthly payments, and that really adds up over the years.
For instance, with a 30-year mortgage at $155,000, if you get a fixed interest rate of 3.75, you'll pay $718 per month. If the interest rate is just a half a point higher, 4.25%, the monthly payment jumps to $763, an increase of $16,000 over the life of the loan. A good place to start is on the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's website at consumerfinance.gov.
The next step, get quotes from several lenders. They can be large banks or mortgage companies. Remember to consider credit unions and small community banks too.
Another place to look is bankrate.com, a useful website if you want to broaden your search nationally. And once you've bought a home, the work you put in getting the best mortgage will pay off for years to come. Jennifer Krause, News Channel 5 HD.
A lot of people who also consult with mortgage brokers, and that can be helpful. But Consumer Reports says don't rely solely on those recommendations. We'll be putting another mortgage tip for you online tonight, so be sure to check out newschannel5.com.